Have you ever heard a rumor so wild it sounds like fiction? Like a band member dying in a car crash and being replaced by an imposter? Today, we are separating fact from myth. The Paul is dead theory is a famous urban legend claiming British musician Paul McCartney died in a car accident on November 9, 1966. According to the story, the surviving Beatles secretly replaced him with a look-alike. The conspiracy alleges that the replacement was named William Campbell, who supposedly won an impersonator contest. Fans believe John, George, and Ringo continued the band without Paul's knowledge or consent. This theory gained massive traction because it relies on decoding clues within the band's album covers and song lyrics. For decades, fans analyzed every visual detail to find hidden evidence of the secret replacement. However, experts confirm Paul McCartney is very much alive and has been performing since. The narrative of his death in a car crash before the release of Skeet Pepper was simply a rumor that started floating around. Despite being debunked, the theory remains popular because it challenges our trust in reality. Remember why. Shows how powerful a compelling story can be when it suggests hidden truths about famous figures we admire. Ultimately, the Paul is dead myth serves as a fascinating case study in how conspiracy theories spread. The truth is simple. Paul never died, and he has been recording music with the Beatles until today. So there you have it, a look into one of music's most enduring mysteries. What other conspiracy theories have you heard? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.